Hello everybody, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor. We're here at the 2023 ADIPEC conference in Abu Dhabi, and with me right now is Pier Parisi with INNIO Waukesha, the company that's exhibiting here at the conference. We're going to be speaking about their mobile flex engine and sort of what benefits it's had in the overall industry, and also a little bit about decarbonization, as that's been such a big thing here at this conference too. So Pier, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for taking the time to come see us. Really appreciate it.
So let's talk about this mobile flex engine. It's something that you guys have been really promoting out here. What makes it unique compared to conventional diesel engines? How does it kind of work, I guess? I guess it's an engine, so how does it work?
Well, it's kind of a game changer really in the drilling industry, because this is a gas engine with a diesel-like performance. So the uniqueness of it is that it's able to actually be retrofitted in an existing rig where you already have diesel engines that are at work, but at the same time will give you a fraction of the cost when it comes to operating expenses, and also a fraction of the emissions. So it really is it's a double advantage, and we're very excited about it.
I'll ask a little bit about the decarbonization bit in a minute here, but first just going on about this engine a little bit more. How long has it been out, and what's been sort of the customer response for so far?
It's been in development over the last few years, but the formal launch of Mobile Flex has really been this year. We went through a period of development where we actually have worked on a couple of proprietary technologies, specifically related to the way the piston is designed and the ability to actually operate at low loads, and actually within 10 seconds to go at full load. So it's giving you all of the advantages that you would have with a diesel engine, but of course then with the convenience, the lower operating costs, as I said, and the lower emissions that you get from gas operations.
So, I mean, obviously you guys probably have some results about the emissions component with this engine. So what kinds of reductions have we seen out of some of the harmful emissions that are out there?
Yeah, they've been very impressive. They're inherited to the operation of a rich burn engine. So 90% reduction in methane and 90% reduction in NOx.
Now, we're here at the Decarbonization Accelerator here at the conference. That has been such a big topic, not just here at the conference, but throughout the industry at large. And so, we've talked about emissions. Yeah. We've talked about sort of, the efficiencies generated out of this engine. So where do you think that this engine fits in the wider decarbonization space, and maybe even what INNIO Waukesha's offerings fit in this space?
Well, a couple of words about INNIO. So first of all, we make a big bet on decarbonization. On the Jenbacher side of things, we have engines that today are 100% hydrogen ready. We actually have a commitment that by 2025, all of our engines will be hydrogen ready. So we're leading, even ahead of where the infrastructure is today. So that is on the Jenbacher side. On the Waukesha side, our commitment, of course, has been to rich burn engines, and especially with this specific design for drill rigs, enable you to displace diesel engines. So that means, for example, saving thousands of gallons per day in diesels, and actually operating with natural gas.
Well, Pier, thank you so much for letting us know a little bit about all of this. And as we continue on in this space, this is going to be such critical equipment moving forward. So thank you again for talking to us about it a little bit.
Fantastic. Thank you for the opportunity.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.